Alright, so we're recording. Let's see if we do this. So here's your lesson. This is a double space lesson. You can see up here in the top right hand corner we got first, last name, date, and hour. And then there's some instructions here in this yellow box. It says Arial 14 aligned to the right, and the title is Arial 26 bold underline. So those are your fonts for this. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to single space this stuff, and then you're going to hit enter, and then you're going to do this right down here, a computer lesson. That's going to be in Arial 26 bold underline. And you're going to hit enter, and then you are going to turn on double spacing. Alright, so let me show you what this looks like in terms of double spacing and stuff like that. Alright, so I'll go to Drive here and open up a blank document here. Open this up here. This is one for my 7th grade. That's going to load up. And I'm going to just delete this. Hopefully. On my computer. There we go. Uh-oh. There we go. Everything's just moving kind of slow here. Sorry, people. Alright, there we go. So align to the right, and align to the right, and I'm at 14, and I am in Arial, like so. Let's find Arial here. Alright, and so I'm going to put in, you're going to put in your own name, but I'm going to put name, date, hour, like so. And then I'm going to hit enter, and now I'm going to hit the center button, and now according to this I'm at Arial 26 bold underline, so I'm going to go to 26, like so, Arial bold underline, and the name of this is a computer lesson. So I'm going to type this, a computer lesson, like so. Then I'm going to enter, maybe one more enter. Now I'm going to go back to the left hand side, like so, and I'm going to go back to 14, turn off bold, turn off underline, hit the tab button, and the double space. Right here is double space. Alright, so I click here and you'll see double spaces right there. Alright, so now when we word wrap, when it goes down to the next line, you'll see when I begin typing, computers are made up of many different parts, just like cars, period. As I continue typing, it'll go automatically down to the next line. So if I type here, computers are made up of, I'm going to just kind of paraphrase here, many different parts, just like cars, period, enter. When these, you'll see it automatically word wraps down to the next line, like so. It's double spaced. Alright, so this is just a double space lesson. Make sure that yours looks pretty much just like that assignment that I gave you, and so you just have to retype that out and then turn that in. Alright, as double. I'm going to hit pause on this.